It's great. Okay, guys, welcome to
It's smoothie and juicing time.
Okay, and I've got my Flash t-shirt. What t-shirt do you have? Show what your t-shirt's yours.
No.
No. Okay. Right. Today we are going to use the blender, and we're going to be doing. Who are we dedicating this to?
We're dedicating this to Gold from It's Funny.
Tell us about who Gold is, what she does.
Gold is Gold plays with It's Funny with on Roblox and Minecraft.
Uh-huh.
They play some random games sometimes too.
Okay, cool. So as we've got the name Gold, I was thinking what we could do, we could do like a smoothie that's based around gold. So we've got some. What do we have here?
By the way, he meant to colour gold, not the person gold.
Yeah. Okay. What do we have here?
Pineapples.
Pineapples. I've done about 2 inches thick of the pineapples. I've cut them. I've made sure, like sometimes you get brown bits when you cut them. I made sure that they're all smooth. I've done my best. The reason for that is basically when it does the blending, when it's like chopping everything all up,
yeah,
it gets those browny bits in there as well, and you don't want those sort of textures. So let's just pour in the pineapple. Yeah, put it down, and then let's just put the pineapple in there.
One pineapple.
Oh my gosh, do a bit quicker. Okay.
Yeah, they feel so slimy.
It feels slimy.
I hate slimy stuff.
When was the last time you had a pineapple?
Never.
Never. Oh my golly
gosh.
Okay, you're gonna have to sort of try this out. So we've got the pineapples in there. What I've also did is we're gonna add some orange as well. I've done half an orange. Well, I would suggest when you're peeling the orange, try to sort of like get rid of the pith as much as you can, because once it's blending, that pith's going to be in there as well. So let's just dump in the orange.
Both of these ingredients feel so weird. My hands are sticky.
It's sticky. Okay. And then, should we add in, we need some yogurt. Now I've got some low-fat
natural yogurt.
Yeah. Okay, you could use any other yogurt for this, but should we put in, I was going to put some ice as well. So we've got 4 cubes.
It's hot, right?
Hey?
Today's hot, isn't it?
Today's hot, yeah, it is. Okay, it's good. I haven't really tried smoothies with ice before that much, but should we add the ice in before the yogurt? Okay, we'll do that.
And before it melts.
Okay. Put the last one in.
Just wait, I'm just gonna quickly.
Okay. And then let's see. Let's put in 4 spoonfuls of yogurt in there.
We're using a round spoon.
We use a round spoon. Okay, we're going
It smells disgusting.
Shall I do it this bit here?
Yeah, you do it. Oh.
Okay, we're going pretty rustic here. So basically,
1,
let's get a nice
2,
dollop.
and 3. You said 5?
4, but do you think we should put another one in?
Just for luck.
One for luck, okay. What I would always suggest is...
So are we replacing the milk and stuff with yogurt?
Yeah, make it nice and creamy. Basically, what I always suggest is find out the recipe and then sort of adapt it to your taste buds, and always go for experimenting things. So
let's do a 3-second countdown.
3-second countdown.
And you have to count up to at least 15 seconds.
So okay, okay, let's see.
3,
2, 1, go.
That sounded louder than usual.
Does it sound louder than usual? Okay.
I think it was because of the ice.
Could be. Basically what the blender does is it basically chops everything into really fine pieces, and all of the bits of the pineapple are in there and everything like that, and also bits of the orange are all in there. Oh my gosh.
I can tell that it cuts up because of the blade.
Yeah, and look at that, how creamy and orangey
Yes.
and how thick it is. Okay, so we're
yeah,
gonna
that
do.
is very creamy.
Hang on a second. Don't we put this in that way?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Never mind. You
Fine.
don't that way last time.
Okay, should I taste it first?
Oh yeah. Tell me how it tastes.
I could taste all the bits of the pineapple, and I could taste all the bits of the orange, and it's all mixed up with the yogurt. And I'm thinking.
That's actually all the ingredients.
Yeah, I'm thinking maybe you might like it, or maybe you might find it sour.
Last time was really sour.
Was it? That was the strawberry and the melon. Give it a suck. You haven't tasted it. Go on. Go.
Yes. Ugh. Yeah, it's a little sour.
It's a little sour. Oh my gosh. You like juices and smoothies. No, more smoothies with chocolate in it. Okay, so what should people do?
This is the end of the video, so you should like if you enjoyed it. You never hit the thumbs down.
Hit the thumbs down, okay.
Never hit the
Share
thumbs down.
if you like it and you want other people to try it, and then see what their reaction is.
Most importantly, subscribe.
And
hit
well, okay.
hit the notification bell so you know every time we post a new video.
And do you know what would be absolutely amazing? What would be amazing? If Goldie, hang on, is her name Goldie or Gold?
Gold.
Gold, okay. If Gold gives us a comment, and if she tries it out, and if she could tell us whether she likes it, or whether we could make some adaptations. What do you think?
Anyway, bye guys.
Bye.